Hello friends, how are you? Today I am going to bring you a video regarding a very common issue happens in laptop. Recently some of my laptop keys stopped working. Then I had to do several things to make it okay. I tried updating laptop keyboard driver and I did some modifications in easy of access, but nothing worked well. Then I had to do this thing. Then I will show you the way I handle this issue using a help of one of my best known friends. I am using Acer Asper VX15 laptop to show you the demonstration, but this is okay for each and every laptops. So keep connected with my video from beginning to end, then you will be able to solve this laptop keyboard issue very well. Here you can clearly see that some of my laptop's keys are not working. I am typing from the left corner and I am using each and every keys. Here you can see some of my keys are not functioning. After turning on the computer, we have to check whether there is any short circuit in the keyboard. For that I am using this keyboard testing software. In that you can see the behavior of the keyboard using different colors. When I am typing my keys, they will indicate in this bar. I am typing each and every keys here. Here you can see each and every keys of my laptop keyboard is functioning well. Because of that is indicated in this yellow color. If there is any issue, it will show in a red color. Now you can see there is no any mechanical issue. Because of that, we can go to a very simple laptop keyboard cleanup. Then I will show you the way of doing that laptop keyboard cleanup. Then the affected keys must be carefully removed. For that, a good laptop repairing kit must be used. And also, I recommend not to do this your own. It's better to have professional knowledge here. Here you can see my friend is removing the laptop keys very carefully. Here you can see he is removing the enter key. That should be done with much care. The reason is that is very different from other normal individual keys. The cleaning must be done using isopropyl alcohol. To pour the liquid into the buttons, we are using a cylinder. Here you can see we are having the isopropyl alcohol to a cylinder and we are putting that on the touching knob, that is the knob of the keys. And the objective of having this isopropyl alcohol is to remove each and every dust. Here you can see I have to put it on the knobs. After that I have to press it and I have to make sure my keys are functioning well. Then I have to keep it several minutes. Here you can see a close-up of the enter key, that is some sort of complex than other individual keys. And here you can see the dirt inside our keys. Here you can see that is some sort of full of dust and we have to clean them very carefully. Otherwise there can be some sort of issues in our keyboards. If there is any issue with the clips of our keys, we have to amend them also. Then we have to fix that to the key knobs very carefully. It's better to use professional involvement here. Prior to connect the key heads to our remote keys, we have to check whether is there any short circuit in our keyboard. In my case, each and every issues are solved now. You can see each and every keys are functioning very well. Since the keys are okay, then we have to fix our key heads again. This is the enter key that is certain different from other keys, and much care should be taken when we are fixing that enter key. Here you can see there are two handles made of aluminium. We have to fix that 100% okay. Then we have to pull that key head and we have to press several times to make it functionable. Now you can see that is working very well. Then we have to run several check presses and we have to check it again. Here in our case, we check that again using the previously used software. Here you can see we are using that against the software, and in my case, my issue was solved 100%. Now I will show you my test typing using a WordPad. Here you can see each and every keys of my laptop are functioning very well, and this is the process I used to repair my laptop. Then I will place the details of the person who did this repair, and if you want any further information you can consult him and get it done. I will place the contact details of that person, that friend of mine, in my description. So we shall meet with another video as soon as possible. Place your comments of this video. Then goodbye until we meet again. I am Madhujit Sagara. If you are a newcomer to my YouTube channel, just type Madhu Sagara in YouTube. Then you will find my channel. Then get inside and subscribe. Pressing bell icon will make you notify about my each and every latest updates. You can have so many videos under various playlists in my multidisciplinary YouTube channel. So get in touch. I will do my best to make you rich in knowledge.